Guys, I did some serious damage in Primark and I thought, do you know what? We're gonna make a couple of haul videos out of it because sometimes you just gotta make yourself feel better by shopping and also by sharing it with you guys, because honestly, Primark is so good at the moment and I just know you're gonna love some of these pieces. So I thought I would make 2 little haul videos because there's way too much for one video in here, but I'm gonna make this one and then there's gonna be another one coming up in about a week's time. Maybe 2 in 1 week, who knows, might push the boat out and try and do something a little bit different and do 2 Primark hauls in 1 week, but keep your eyes peeled for part 2. So if you are new here, then hello, my name is Jess. We talk a lot about timeless fashion, finding your own personal style, a few vlogs and a few travel bits here and there as well. If you're returning, then welcome back. As I've already said, today we are going through this monstrosity of a Primark bag, which I can't lie, I actually did need one of these because I always do shoot days to do content with my friend Tash and she always brings one of these and I always think it's such a fab idea. So I thought, you know what, I'm gonna pay £1.20 or whatever it is. Is it £1.20? And get myself one of the giant Primark bags. But this is what's inside. You're gonna love it, it's so good. So first things first, I went for something a little bit different for me, but the basics in my Primark shop are quite close to the front, and as I was having a little browse, I saw this top and I just thought, you know what, I don't normally go for this colour, but I actually kind of love it and I think it's a good one to add to my wardrobe. It suits my colour palette and I just really liked it, and it's this bright yellow little vest top. I got this one in an extra small and it's £7, which is quite inexpensive, but it's like a fine knit, and I just thought the yellow was really cute. It's coming up a lot brighter on camera, but I thought the yellow was really cute, and I thought teamed with some like maybe cream jeans or even like some black tailored trousers or something would be really nice for the summer. I also thought I've got this pair of like pajama shorts that are like, you know, the pajama style shorts, they're grey stripe, and I thought this would be really cute with those as well. So just thought I'd pick up that one. £7 is fairly okay, I think, for this kind of top. I don't know how see-through it's going to be or anything like that, but I'm thinking it should be okay. So I just thought it was a nice little investment piece for my wardrobe. Inject a little bit of colour in for the season because, do you know what, your girl's starting to love a bit of colour. Never used to happen, but I'm starting to really enjoy a bit of colour, so I thought, do you know what, we're gonna do it, we're gonna push the boat out. Then in true Jess fashion, I picked up something leopard print. Now this one they didn't have in anything other than a 10, a 14 and a 20. That was the only sizes of most things in that shop, and I was getting really frustrated because I was like, damn it, if only I fit into one of those, I'd have free reign of the whole shop. But because I didn't, it was a little bit more slim pickings. Like honestly, it had just been picked through. Maybe they hadn't had their weekly delivery yet, I don't know, but it was honestly just empty. Like everything was just hanging all over the show, such a mess. It wasn't a good time. I went because my friend told me it was really good at the moment, and I feel like she must have got it on the weekend, but I definitely didn't. But this is the skirt that I picked up. So it's like a it's kind of like a chiffon-y fabric. It's definitely not satin, but it has that kind of vibe to it. And it's just a little leopard print maxi skirt. Kind of reminded me of a thicker version of the rat and boa ones that everyone's loving at the moment. They also had one that was similar on ASOS, but it sold out. And this is just really my vibe. So this one was £14 and I got a 10. No idea if it's gonna fit, but I thought worst case, we wear it on the hips or it just gets returned. So I haven't tried it on yet. You guys can see the cutaway here, but hopefully it fits. It's got the cute little lace detailing on the top as well, which I thought was really nice, and I probably, to be honest, will pull the little tiny bow off because I don't really like those. That is the leopard print skirt, £14, so again, quite a good price range on those. Primark for the most part is, I feel like the prices are creeping up, but for some of it it's still kind of low, which is good. Then the next thing I picked up was these. I'm not 100% sold. I'm going to try them on. I kind of wish they were a little bit more square-toed or pointed. Don't really love that they're round, but they reminded me of the really popular ones that everyone seems to have at the moment, and they were £12, and it's these little ballet flats with the buckle detailing. I just thought they were really cute. £12 isn't too bad of a price, but again, I don't know if I love the round toes, so I'm going to try them on with an outfit and just see what I think, because I know that round toes don't always suit me, but I do really like this style of shoe, and I want to find some that are going to be living in my wardrobe for the foreseeable. But if it's these, I don't know. We'll give them a try and see what I think, but I just thought they were really sweet, and Primark seem to do some really good shoes at the moment, and I just really like them. I don't tend to wear shoes like this all the time, so for me it doesn't really matter if they're not the best quality in the world because they're not getting worn like 24/7, but they do look like they've got quite a good sole on them as well at the moment, which is quite cool. And I do feel like their shoes have upped the quality a little bit. I still think the 90p flip-flops, if you're spending 90p on a pair of flip-flops, obviously they're going to fall apart or be a bit uncomfortable. But when you spend a little bit more and get a nicer pair of like ballet flats, they tend to be all right. So we'll see what I think when I try them on, and I think they're going to be a good one. Just unsure about the toe yet. Then I picked up this pair of earrings because I thought they were just a nice kind of heavyweight pair of earrings that I could wear for more like formal things, maybe for dinners and stuff, or if I've got my hair slicked back. Just kind of thought I'd fancy something different. So I got these. They are a really cute little pair of hoops. They're only £2.50 and I just think they're really cute. They're just quite nice and chunky. And I'm definitely more of like a small chunky hoop kind of gal. I don't like the big ones. I like little dainty ones, and I just thought these could be really cute just teamed in with the ones that I've already got and just add a little bit of something else. I don't know what it is. I kept watching Married at First Sight this year and all of them had like unreal earrings, and it just made me really want to buy way more like nice big chunky earrings for my collection. Then I saw this jumper as like a little Lone Ranger on a shelf, and I'm assuming they must have had more of them, but I don't know. This one was £15 and I thought it was the perfect summer jumper. It's got like the, what's the neckline called? Like a polo neck, I guess. Big pocket on there, and then it's just like a cute little cropped jumper. I thought it'd be really nice if you kind of folded that over and wore it with some jeans or something. But this one is a large, as I say, and it was £15, but they didn't have any anywhere else in the shop that I could see. Like I literally couldn't find them, so I just thought we're going to try the large. If it fits, amazing. Maybe it'll look nice oversized. If it needs to be like a bit smaller, I'll just take it back and then hopefully someone else can give it a loving good home. But I just thought it was a really lovely jumper, and it's that kind of summery knit as well, so not going to keep you super warm, but still like a nice like good quality knit. And to be honest, for £15 this one actually does feel really, really good quality, so surprised by that, because sometimes with Primark I feel like this kind of jumper would be about £30 now, but pleasantly surprised by the fact it was only 15. Then OGs of my channel will know I used to love the Primark stick-on nails. I just thought they were the best thing ever, and recently I've been finding that my nails are kind of nearing the end of their life. They're pinging off and stuff because I'm leaving them weeks and weeks and weeks, and I just don't have time to do them quick enough, and I don't want them to break, because there's nothing worse than when your nails snap off, and it really annoys me. So between doing my own nails, because I do my own manicures, I'm trained in gel and like buy and build a gel, all that kind of thing. So I thought between, I'm going to use these again. I used to love them and they had this really cute style, so I thought, do you know what, let's go for it. So I picked up these ones, which I thought would be really nice for the summer. They've just got little cute flowers on them, and I have quite tiny nails. I don't know what it is, but my nails are actually just really, really small, and the Primark ones seem to fit really nicely on them. So I picked up those, and then I picked up a pack of nail glue as well, because I don't know if you can see, but I've got all my nails done apart from these two that pinged off, so I need to stick them back on. They are builder gel, which is really annoying, but I must have just not done these two properly. So we're going to stick them back on and hope for the best, although I don't know where one of them has gone. And then last but not least, I have this mix match pajama set. So if you haven't seen Primark for a while, they do this really great pajama vibe at the moment. They've done it for a couple of years, and it's basically like pajamas that are just really, really mix and match. They have loads of different tops, loads of different bottoms. They all kind of go together, go separately. Really, really cute and inexpensive. So I thought I'd have a little browse because I saw these on TikTok and I thought, do you know what? I've just got to have them. They are so cute. So they have these cute little satin bottoms, which actually do have pockets as well, which is really cute. So these were £4.50. I got them in an extra small, and they are really, really cute. So they're like a kind of like coffee colour, really lovely, and just like plain on the back as well. And then I also saw the matching top, which is like a ribbed little top with the sports bra bit built in. These are so lovely for wearing to bed because they're really comfy. Also great as a base layer if you are popping jumpers and stuff on in the winter. I love these as a base layer. They're just really comfy. So yeah, cute little top. They only had smalls in this one, so I just got a small. And then we've got the matching little shorts as well. So cute little matching set. Absolutely love it, and I think it's just going to be a great little pajama set for the spring summer, because I get so hot and I just can't wait to have something that's a little bit more cozy and easy to wear for the season. So hopefully you liked that mini little haul, guys. I thought I would split this into two just because there is so many good pieces in Primark at the moment, and this haul would have been like 30 minutes long had I not have done it in two parts. So hopefully you enjoy going back and watching the next bit. I'll make sure to leave the link of the other Primark haul down below in the description. Obviously I can't link because Primark does have a website, but you can't really shop on it, so make sure that you head to your local Primark and have a little browse, because not only do they have great summer bits, there's loads of bikinis and all that kind of stuff, but obviously I'm not going on any trips anytime soon, so no need for any of that, but really, really good stuff. So I highly recommend having a little browse. Personal favourite from this little haul has to be the leopard print skirt. I think if that works and it fits, I am going to be obsessed, and I'm going to be wearing that so much for the season. So hopefully you enjoyed this video, guys. Don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe, hit the notification bell for more from me, and I will see you in my next video. Goodbye, guys.